Hi guys, it's me hajra.vadhariya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a Eid look tutorial. Now if you can remember, I went to Bahariya town last month and I was wearing this look that I would love to rock on my Eid, and you guys loved this look so much. You guys gave me so much love and all of those amazing messages, so I thought of doing this look today. So I'll be just wearing my lenses and I'll be back. I would totally love to rock this look on Eid. So here is a Eid look tutorial. First of all, I'm using the NYX pencil, and as you can see, I'm just brushing and then I'll be filling my brows. Now I'm gonna make very natural and rough brows, nothing too fancy, just pencil, just using a pencil. I'll be just filling it and then using this any eyeshadow as you want to. I'm using the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession palette and I'll be filling it even more in so the pencil as well sets and doesn't move. So I'm doing this using the spoolie. So really quickly I love natural looking brows where you can see the skin peeking through. Now using the Alezem HD Ultra HD foundation with Beautify by Amna's foundation blender. This is gonna work as my concealer, foundation, everything. Now you will have to face a very dirty niqab and scarf because I'm sorry guys. So I'm just using it as my concealer and foundation both to cover entire area that you see really nicely. Quickly, I'm just gonna blend it with the beauty blender. I'm gonna do my under eyes as well with the same thing. So just using this foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. Don't forget to use my code when you shop from Alezem Beauty. And I'm using the Glamorous Face Compact to set everything in place. I love how the foundation and the powder looked. This powder is so affordable and this foundation is so bomb. You need to try this out. So cheap and amazing. Now I'm using my Travel Essential brush kit. I'm using the Beautify by Amna's mini blending brush, using again the Huda Beauty palette. You can use my code H151 on Beautify by Amna's products and HB10 on Alezem Beauty's products. So I'm just warming up my crease a little bit and my outer corner, just warming it up, kind of contouring it. You don't actually see it, you can't actually see it a lot and you cannot actually tell difference, but I am actually contouring my eyes and giving them some warmth, and now I am putting a little more shade as well that you will see. So you just see I've just shaped everything because we are not focusing on the eyeshadows right now. I'm using the Huda Beauty's Melted shadow. I absolutely love this. So I'm using the metallic side and I'm using the same brush, and then I decided to use my finger instead because these eyeshadows work much better with fingers. So I'm just blending first with the brush and then with the finger. So it's just on my lid, and the main thing in this look is the shimmer on the lid and the lower lash line and nothing else. So very slightly matte shades in the crease, and then mostly you're just going with the shimmer. Just put it according to your preference, how much you want it, how much intense do you want it to look. So yeah, I will be topping it all this eyeshadow on with my normal highlighter that I would use for my face so that doesn't move, or I just wanted to mix the two tones together. This was too pink for the look, so I wanted to mix it. Now I'm using the matte side on my lower lash line. I absolutely love this. It has a great formula. I'm using the Beautify by Amna's brush. You can use my code H151. I'm just, how easily this blends. Just look at it, how easily this blends. I am in love. Now after blending this, I'm using the Gouache Key purple color key pencil, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline and on my lower lash line. Sorry, I blocked your view a little bit. Now we are back. So I'm gonna just put it on the lower lash line and in the waterline, and using a small tiny mini brush I will be blending it. So the easy way actually to blend your lower lash line and to smoke it out is to just stretch your eye from the outer corner and close it a little bit and blend it with a little pressure, but be careful. Now just to give it a more smoky look, I have used this shade kind of smoke it out, using the color swab from Beautify by Amna to clean my brush. I absolutely love this stuff. Now the Christine highlighter, which I'll be putting on my inner corners, on my brow bone as my nose highlight, and also the same highlighter on my entire lid to mix the two shades and get that perfect shimmer shade that I wanted for the look. So yeah, How beautiful. Now just to blend the edges, I'm using the tiny brush from Beautify Bamna, and I'm just blending it. I love the Beautify Bamna's eye premium brush set. It's totally lit. Now we'll be making a smoky liner using Inglot AMC gel liner and this angled brush from Beautify Bamna's eye premium brush kit. So I'm just taking a little bit, smoking it out very gently, not too intense and not too sleek, but smoked out hoga. And I absolutely love this kind of a liner. So you can keep it a little light. You can use brown liners as well, will look really good with the look. And you can also intensify the black if you want to. I will be intensifying it as you see now, because I thought this will look more pretty. So yeah, just smoking it out, and you'll further smoke it out using an eyeshadow. So again, I will be using the Smoky Obsession palette from Huda Beauty, और इसका जो darkest shade है वो लेके I will be just with the same brush smoking out my liner very slightly. It looks, smoked outliners look a little, weird, but they are very easy to create. So this is the entire look. Now it's time for some mascara. I won't be putting false lashes. I love to put mascara. So after proper coating of mascara, this is how the look turned out. Absolutely loving it. This is so pretty. Now if you remember the look, you guys loved this look when I went to Bahariya town, so I especially created it for you guys, and I would love to rock this on for a Eid look. So I thought it is the perfect time for a Eid look, and this look would look so beautiful on Eid with any color that you put on your lower lash line according to your dress or according to your vibe. Absolutely love that wing. If you're wondering where I got these lenses from, they're super pretty. These are Lorraine lenses in wool grey. I got it from the Pretty Lens store on Instagram. They have amazing lenses and the colors are so warm. Now I was requesting Laba to give me my sunglasses so I could show you guys the entire look. Oh my god, this look. Okay, this scarf style is a little different that I wore to Bahariya town, but the look, brows, sunglasses, everything is exactly similar. Just I wanted a little more pop for Eid, so I went on with colored lenses. That day I was wearing transparent lenses, and I changed the scarf style. Obviously, because it's Eid, it's festive, you need to glam it up a little more. So that is how I glammed it up a little more. You can just do things according to your preference. Absolutely loving the look. Look at that highlighter. This Christine's most cheapest highlighter is so bomb. Lastly, these sunglasses are from Chanel. I hope you guys like the look. I hope you guys found it helpful. So that is it with the video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.